SoTa PoP gOoNz TV, man. I know y'all probably thinking like, damn, this nigga be any and everywhere and got any and everything. Yeah, I'm out here. Oh, check this out, y'all. You see that? Nah. I give y'all $1. Yeah. 100. If you can figure out what the fuck is they doing right now. Alright, let's go over here.
Look at that! Look at that one. Look at it.
Isn't this awesome? If the crocodile hunter can see me now, he'll be proud of me. RIP to the crocodile hunter.
That just gonna get you.
Let's see if we can get close. Uh-oh, I think he's getting pissed off. Isn't this amazing? SoTa PoP gOoNz TV, we out.